Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Learning Lifestyle. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I would like to share with you all some tips that help you to avoid the panic attacks during the exam. It is natural to feel anxious prior to an exam. In fact, a little anxiety can actually help your performance. Anxiety and stress cause the body to release adrenaline, which can be helpful when responding to the challenging situation. But too much adrenaline can also lead you to feel distressed and hinder your performance. So that you need to be able to strike a balance between this too little and too much anxiety, guys. So before starting a video, one thing I would like to tell you all is anxiety pressure, it leads to worry, and the worry causes the panic in the examination hall. So to understand how, let's first understand working memory. Here, working memory housed in prefrontal cortex of your brain. It is responsible for processing and manipulation of information. It is often synonymously called as short-term memory. If pressure makes you worried, then worry takes away some of your working memory resource, leaving less neural resource for the task. So here are the different parts of brain communicates less efficiently when struck with worry. So there are very simple things that anyone should follow to avoid panic stress during the exam. So that I will be sharing you now. Self-instructions. Self-instructions do help in situations like this. Basically tell yourself that you are going to do everything and you can, and everything will be alright. The second important thing is don't discuss about your preparation with your friends, as it might add to your panic. So don't go to discuss about your preparation before you face an exam, right? You have been feeling nervous and have just sat down in the exam room. Do these following tips. Make yourself comfortable. Take few deep breaths to try to ease this tension you are feeling. Sit with your eyes closed for a little while, only then turn over the exam paper. And the second tip is take time to read through all the instructions and the questions carefully. Do that at least twice to make sure you get a firm grasp of the question. And the next tip is pick out the questions that best relate to the revision you have done. Do not rush anything, right? Then the fourth tip is plan your answers. This is really an important point, guys. 5 minutes spent on a plan and a rough guide will help us thoughts to flow. And the next tip is decide whether you want to do the easy or the difficult questions first. For few people, doing an easy one first might help to relax, or might doing a difficult one first while you are very alert might be best for you. So decide which one to do first. And the next tip is manage your time. Yes guys, keep an eye on your watch so that you allow enough time for your final answer. And my seventh tip is avoid perfectionism. Yes, you heard it right. It is good to check spellings and punctuation, guys, but no one is expecting perfection, right? And the last tip is if you feel the panic is getting worse, one thing you have to do is just stop, put down your pen and relax yourself. Breathe slowly, close your eyes for few minutes, say something positive to yourself and encourage to yourself, right? So hope these tips and tricks are useful to you. Do follow this and let me know how it is useful to you, guys. Thank you so much for your support. We'll meet you in the next video.